everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. How many of you like these soft and spongy dosas either for breakfast or for a nice evening tiffin? Well, I'm one of them because I love those dosas, and today I'm going to share a wonderful set dosa recipe, and these dosas are really soft and spongy and it's super easy to make. So without wasting any time, let's get started and check it out. First, I'm adding a cup of raw rice to a bowl. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. Add a quarter cup of urad dal and a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Pour some water and wash them well about 2 to 3 times. Now pour some water and let the mixture soak in the water for 3 hours. Take another bowl and add a quarter cup of flattened rice in it. Pour water on it and rinse it nicely. After washing again, pour some more water and let it soak for about half an hour. After 3 hours, add the soaked mixture of raw rice, urad dal and fenugreek seeds to the mixer jar. Next, I'm adding the soaked flattened rice along with the water to the mixer jar. It's time to grind the soaked ingredients into a batter. Once the mixture is ground to a nice smooth batter consistency, transfer it to a bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. You can let it ferment overnight for the next day's breakfast. Make sure that the batter is in a pouring consistency. Let the batter ferment for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, the batter has turned to a nice frothy one. Give the batter a nice mix. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Let me share a little inspiration behind adding turmeric powder. Recently, I tried a dosa at a restaurant where they used turmeric for its vibrant color and subtle flavor. It's an option but delightful addition to your home-cooked dosas. Okay, now the batter for the dosa is ready. Let's begin to prepare the dosas. Take a dosa pan and heat it. Once heated, pour a ladle of dosa batter to it and spread it evenly. Make sure that the dosa is thick so that it turns out soft and spongy. Pour a little amount of ghee or oil around the dosa. Now I'm closing the pan for about 30 to 40 seconds. Let me know in the comment section whether you like spongy, soft dosas or crispy dosas. I will add some of my dosa recipes in the description so that you can give them a try too. Now flip the dosa to the other side and let it cook. Lower the flame. After 20 seconds, take it out of the pan slowly. Wow, the fluffy set dosa is ready. Set dosa and vada curry makes the best combo. You can enjoy these soft and spongy dosas with this delicious vada curry by the side. If you guys want the recipe for the vada curry, let me know in the comment section below. Yummy, just too good. That soft, spongy set dosa with that vada curry tasted incredibly delicious. And the main attraction is the yellow color. And if you're looking to try something different, I recommend you to try this set dosa. And you can have it with chutney or sambar or any other side dish of your choice. I'll give you a couple of links to the other dosa recipes I've made earlier. Do try them out. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.